Hello students, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. So, as we are doing the topic differentiation, you have done some exercises, some questions. Now, we are continuing with the same miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 5 and the question number 10th onward, right? So let us do this. So the question number 10 is differentiate x raised to the power x plus x raised to the power a plus a raised to the power x plus a raised to the power a with respect to x. With respect to x, you have to differentiate this function x power x plus x power a plus a power x plus a raised to the power a with respect to x. Let us solve this question. How to solve this question? Consider this as y. Let y is equal to x raised to the power x plus x raised to the power a plus a raised to the power x plus a raised to the power a. Right? As you know, this is a variable power variable, and this function is variable power constant. A is constant, x is the variable. This is constant power variable, and this whole constant power constant, so this is constant. Now let us consider this as u, this as v, and this as w, and this is a raised to the power a. Now when you differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get dy over dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of u with respect to x? Its value is du upon dx plus dv over dx plus dw over dx. And what is the differentiation of a raised to the power a? Its differentiation is 0. Its differentiation is 0 because the derivative of constant term is equal to 0. So consider this as equation 1. So now we are doing the differentiation. We have to find du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx separately. Now let us take u is equal to x raised to the power x, right? So as you know this topic, the topic variable power variable, this function variable power variable, you have to take log on both sides. You know it, you have done it previously. So taking log on both sides, what will we get? This is log u is equal to log x power x, log x raised to the power x. So this becomes, this is same log u, it is equal to as you know the property log m raised to the power n, that is n log m. So its value is x log x. x ये जो पावर है ये log के आगे आ जाएगी and this becomes x into log x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. What will we get? Its derivative is, what is the derivative of log u? It is 1 upon u. But with respect to x है, इसलिए ये होगा du upon dx, right? And this equal to, now when you solve this derivative, when you find the derivative of this function, this is the product of two functions, so you can apply the product rule here. U into v. First as it is, x as it is, into derivative of second. Derivative of second is 1 upon x plus second as it is, log x as it is, into derivative of first. That is equal to 1. Right? So this x will be cancelled out. Now this u will shift to right side. We will get du by dx. Du by dx is equal to u into 1 plus log x. Right? So when you put the value here, the value of u is x raised to power x. So it becomes x raised to the power x into 1 plus log x. So we have done this du by dx. Similarly, we are doing v. So let us solve. V is equal to x raised to the power a. X raised to the power a. Right? So this, now we are taking v. Now v is equal to x raised to the power a. As you know, this is variable and this a is a constant. So variable power constant, you can apply the power rule. That is x raised to the power n. The derivative is n into x to the power n minus 1. So you can directly differentiate it. So I am doing it directly. No need to take log on both sides. You have to take log on both sides in case of variable power variable. Right? So differentiate both sides with respect to x. What will we get? dv over dx. It is equal to, as you know the power rule, this is a x power a minus 1. So this is the answer of the derivative of x raised to the power a. Similarly, w is equal to a raised to the power x. Right? So as you know, this is direct formula. You know this formula is, when you differentiate both sides with respect to x, what will we get? We get dw by dx. It is equal to, you know the formula of a raised to the power x. Its formula is a raised to the power x into log of a. Right? So the value of dw by dx equal to a raised to the power x into log a. Right? So we have these three values, du by dx, dv by dx and dw by dx. Put all these values in this equation. Right? Equation number 1. What will we get? We get, when you put these values, du by dx की ये वैल्यू, dv by dx की ये वैल्यू और dw by dx की ये वैल्यू, जब आप इन तीनों वैल्यूज को इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में फिल करेंगे तो हमारे पास रिक्वायर्ड आंसर आएगा, राइट। सो when we put all the values we have the answer. So our answer is dy over dx, it is equal to, the value of du by dx is equal to x raised to the power x into 1 plus log x, right. And the value of dv by dx, it is plus, its value is a x raised to the power a minus 1, and plus the value of dw by dx, as we have done, its answer is a raised to power x into log of a, right. So this is the required answer, this is the required answer. Okay students, now next question is the question number 11 from miscellaneous exercise. Differentiate x raised to the power x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 raised to the power x square with respect to x. So in same previous question, similar question, let us solve this question. So let us consider this as y, this function, whole function as y. So let y is equal to x raised to the power x square minus 3 plus x minus 3 raised to the power x square, right. So let y is equal to u plus v. We have this, we have considered this as u and this as v. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. We have dy over dx is equal to du upon dx plus dv over dx. Consider this as equation number 1. As we have done in previous question number 10, this question is similar to that, right. So let us do this. Let us solve u. Let u is equal to x raised to the power x square minus 3, right. So as you know, this is variable, this power is also variable. So this function is variable power variable. So it is necessary to take log on both sides, right. So we can take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, when you take log on both sides, we have log u is equal to log of x raised to the power x square minus 3. So this implies log u is equal to this x square minus 3, it comes in front of this log, so this becomes x square minus 3, right, into log of x. This is base, this is power. पावर जो है वो आगे आ जाती है, इसका फॉर्मूला होता है log m raised to the power n, that is n into log m, right. So we are using this identity, right. So now differentiate with respect to x. When you differentiate both sides with respect to x, we get 1 upon u into du upon dx, because the derivative of log u is 1 upon u into du upon dx, which is equal to, now how to differentiate this? As you know, this is the product of two functions. So we can use product rule. So what is the product rule? U into V derivative, that is U as it is, derivative of V plus V as it is, derivative of U. Means first as it is means x square minus 3 as it is into derivative of log x, its value is 1 by x, plus we are using this result, this is product rule, plus second as it is means log x as it is into what is the derivative of x square minus 3, its value is 2x, right? So this is 2x. Okay ji? Then we shift this u to the right side, we will get the answer du by dx, it is equal to u, I am shifting this u to right hand side, this becomes u, this is x square minus 3 upon x, plus I am writing this as 2x into log x, right? Now at last we are putting the value of u, that is, what is the value of u? The value of u is x raised to the power x square minus 3, and this is into x square minus 3 over x plus 2x into log x. So this is the value of du upon dx, right? Now similarly we are doing this, we are solving this v. Now let us take v is equal to what? X minus 3 raised to the power x square, right? So this is similar because variable power variable means we have to take log on both sides to solve this. So when you taking log on both sides, right? So we get log v is equal to log x minus 3 raised to the power x square. So which gives, what is this value? What is the next step? This power, ये जो power है ये आगे आ जाएगी. So this becomes x square log of x minus 3, right? Now we are differentiating it. Differentiate with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of log v? Log v की differentiation क्या होगी? 1 upon v into dv over dx, right? Which is equal to, how to differentiate this? Same concept, product rule, this one. First function x square and second function log of x minus 3. So you can use this product rule here. First as it is, what is the derivative of log x minus 3? This is 1 upon x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3. That is 1, right? According to chain rule, the derivative of log x minus 3 is 1 upon x minus 3 into derivative of x minus 3. That is, its answer is 1 upon x minus 3. Plus, second as it is. Second is log x minus 3 as it is. What is the derivative of first function? That is x square. Its value is 2x. Right? Simple way. Now we shift this v to the right side and put the value of v. So we have dv over dx is equal to v into x square upon x minus 3 plus 2x into log of x minus 3. I am writing this 2x this side, right? Now put the value of v. We have the answer. What is the value of v? Value of v is x minus 3 raised to the power x square. Now into x square over x minus 3 plus 2x into log of x minus 3. So this is the value of dv by dx. Now we have two values. One is du upon dx and other is dv over dx. Now put these two values of du by dx and dv by dx in equation number 1. So from 1 we have the result. From 1 dy over dx, we are putting these values in equation number 1. We have the answer. So the value of dy by dx equal to I am putting this value x raised to the power x square minus 3 into x square minus 3 over x plus 2x into log x plus dv by dx x minus 3 raised to the power x square into x square over x minus 3 plus 2x into log x minus 3. Right? So this is the required answer. Right? So whenever there is any question, there in board question this type is very important. So that's why वेरिएबल पावर वेरिएबल, जब भी आपके पास वेरिएबल पावर वेरिएबल आता है, so you can take a log on both sides, right? So this simple question we have done two types of questions, similar questions. So this is the answer of this question, right? Thank you.